Hello everyone, Mr. Merkage here, and this is either part 12 or 13, I've actually forgot, of how to make a TU8 mod menu for MW2, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add like cool shaders. So if you've seen, like maybe instead of having a standard black shader or scroll bar, you'd have something like a camo or like custom shaders. Like you can use materials from the game itself and use them as a shader, which is quite cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right, so what you want to do is I'll have a download link for this text file here. I've had this for a while now, but as soon as it got released I thought might as well show people how to do it. So yeah, basically everything here before the equal sign is basically what you need to use, and after it basically explains what it is. Minimap scanlines is quite a popular one at the minute. I'm seeing it around, I've seen it around a few places and a few menus. It looks really nice, and I've actually used it in my new menu, which no one's seen yet. But yeah, it's really nice. And I use it for like a scroll bar because it fits really nicely as a scroll bar. And yeah, so in today's video I'll show you how to add minimap scanned lines and maybe like a big background shader. As I said, once I show you how to do it once, you can just try all these ones out and basically have like custom shaders. So yeah, this is a big list of all of the shaders which are usable. Now I'm not too sure if you need the pre-cache or pre-cache shader offset in for this to work. Just to be sure, I'm gonna give it to you like in this file, but I'm not gonna add it in because I haven't got it ready. But yeah, I'll put it in this text file before I upload it, and then all you have to do with that code is basically come down into startup down here, or you can put it in startup in the startup function itself and just paste it in. So yeah, that will basically allow these shaders to work. So yeah, if we come up now to our scroll bar, as you can see we got it set to white. Now that means it can be coloured, but if all you have to do is change this to minimap scan lines, and that's it. That's literally it, and that is a custom shader. I'm not obviously going to keep the video this short. I'm going to show you how to do something else as well. If you've seen maybe other menus, they have like they have like the scroll bar, and then either left or right of it they got another icon going down with it, so that may often used as a prestige icon, for example. So yeah, it's exactly the same, like nothing changes. You've basically just got to copy what's already done. Prestige icon. Now, because we got the pre-cache shader offset, we can have spinning emblems on screen, so spinning temp. And if I'm right, I think it is card icon too. Card, let me just set icon. Oh, what am I thinking of icon? Shader. I haven't actually made this yet, but yeah, you do that. And I think it is card icon. I've actually forgot what this is, so it might be in this text file, hopefully. If not, I'm pretty screwed because I've actually forgot. But it's like card icon underscore 2 or something like that. You can probably find it on Google, but yeah, I forgot what that is. But for example, well, I've literally forgot everyone, so I'm just gonna go off something off here. What do we want? Something that would be quite nice. Maybe a headshot icon, yeah, that'd be quite nice. Kill icon headshot. So basically, come in here, kill icon headshot. Now, the float X, to work this, I'm gonna put it on the left of the scroller. You can have it on both sides, but you've got to work out where it'll be. So this is at 295, and I think it's like 200. So I'm just gonna put it like 100. Just, you got to work out your positions. Again, it would be 170, and go by 20 by 20. Ignore this. 20 by 20 for that. X5, X5, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. They want to make it the same as like similar as possible as the scrollbar itself. Forget about this error because I just haven't made this part for it, but yeah, you know how to do that. So yeah, as we got our shader now, if you come up slightly to the swap menu, you'll notice the move over time for the scrollbar. Right, so that means we've got to actually make one now for that icon we just created, and we called it temp. What's happened here? So time, yeah, we'll go 300 because we don't want it to look odd. And I think I put the X to 100, and obviously you need find Y, so it finds itself, so it knows where it is. Again, yeah, forget about that error. Now, to make sure it's working fine, you've got to just make sure you've got everything right, so that even these parts down here. So you've basically got to look how it works. So this is scaling it to its position. So we need to scale over time. Temp. Again, same time, so it looks the same. And we made it 20 by 20 on, that is by menu open. Now that is it for like the scroll bar, but in here we have two scroll bars. So the move over time, this is gone weird, move over time temp, what's, is 295 the time? That's why it's not telling me, because I put an R. What a twat. If I do that, yeah, it's time. 295. Float X, which was 100, and Y, which is 170. Now again, we need a scale over time for the menu shut, so it actually gets off the screen now. Temp I 295. Oh no, we don't want that. We just want 300 00, and then that is that. Just to make sure there's enough. Yep, there is. There's more. You've got to make sure it goes up with the other scroller in time, and you scroll up and down. So float X, we put it to 100, and then again find Y function, so it can find where it is. And there's one more for scroll down. Move over time, temp, 200, 100, and then find Y. I'll put that in the wrong place. And then, so that should be that done now. Just to get rid of this temp error because it's going to annoy me. It's going to take the time quickly to go and add it in. Temp 18, comma. Come down to here. temp I equals title and that should be that done now. So yeah, what we've basically done is added a custom. So the scroll is actually the lines. If you sit on the UAV when you call a UAV and there's them lines, that is that. And next to the scroller on the left, we have a headshot icon which will follow the scroll bar up and down once you press D-pad up and D-pad down. So yeah, that's quite a cool effect. And again, don't forget to download this file, and you can use these. So there's some really cool ones in here if you have a look through. So yeah, just keep looking through this and you'll find some cool stuff. So yeah, and don't forget, down in the bottom of this file we'll put the pre-K shader offset, and you need to put it in the startup function, which is just, I'll show you quickly because some of you might not know, and it's right here, void startup, where we add everything. Just paste the code I give in there, and it should make everything work. So yeah, so good luck. If you did like this video, be sure to like and comment, and I'll see you next time.